Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to download Meteor Client for Minecraft 1.20. Okay, so all you have to do is to go first to any web browser and then kindly type this Meteor Client. Okay, tap this one. And then what you're going to do is to just simply scroll down till you see this downloads here, but you have to make sure that you download the second one that is dev build. Tap that one. And then here, you just have to simply skip this part and continue downloading this. You can exit this, you can tap X. Then you will see at the top right corner that Meteor Client is starting to download. Okay, so next you just have to go to this site and then kindly look for download Windows. Okay, tap this one, download for Windows, and you will see above that it is starting to download. It will notify right here. Okay, so that's it. Now, once you're done downloading both, you can now minimize this and go to their folders or go to your desktop. Now, what you're going to do here is to locate the file. Okay, you just have to locate the file. And then, for example, this one, what you're going to do is to drag it right here. Okay, and then also this one. You have to drag this one here. Okay, and then you can minimize downloads folder. Now tap this fabric or simply tap open. Then you have to follow this 1.20. It should be same settings as this and then click install. Okay, and wait as it is processing. Now, once you're done with this, you just have to click OK. So once done, you can exit this, then search for Minecraft Launcher. Okay, so type Minecraft Launcher and then click Open. Okay, so you have to wait as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is to look for installation, and then there you can see this fabric loader here. All you have to do is simply click the folder, okay, and then kindly look for mods folder. And what you're going to do here is to simply drag this file, okay, that is next to fabric. Tap this one and then drag it right here. So what if you can't see mods folder? That is very easy. All you have to do is to simply create one. Right click and then click new folder or tap new and then create folder. And then you just have to name it mods and you can paste that file here. Okay, but since I have one, then all I have to do is simply exit this part. So that's it. Now you can start playing the game. All you have to do is to click play. And that's how easy it is to download Meteor Client for Minecraft 1.20. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.